Hi guys, so this Friday I have a very different video. It's not beauty related. I've been a little absent from social media and posting. That is because I'm starting to take more care of my body, more care of myself by eating healthier and also working out more. So one thing that I love doing after my workouts is drinking a green smoothie because muscles are made up of protein. Drinking a protein smoothie after a workout helps stimulate muscle growth. So if you'd like to see how I make my green protein smoothie, then keep on watching. Okay guys, welcome to my kitchen. So this is what we're going to be needing for the smoothie. I'm going to be using this flaxseed, some chia seed, some hemp protein powder, spinach, parsley, a little bit of ginger. I use a little bit just because I'm still not used to the taste, but if you would like to add more, go ahead and add more. 1 banana and some mangoes. So let's get everything in the blender. So you might be wondering why these ingredients are beneficial to our bodies. I did a little bit of research, and so I want to let you guys know some of the benefits that I thought were really interesting. So spinach, for example, it improves our eyesight, it straightens our muscles, and it increases our metabolism. Parsley, it's a high source of antioxidants. It helps relieve bloating, improves digestion, contains vitamin C, and helps balance our hormones. For girls, of course. Ginger, it reduces muscle pain and soreness, so it's perfect for after working out. It reduces menstrual pain and helps to fight infections. Bananas are loaded with vitamins and minerals such as potassium, calcium, and iron. Mango lowers cholesterol, it clears the skin, and it alkalizes the body. Almonds are healthy fats. They are high in fiber, protein, and they reduce hunger. Now here I mixed all of the seeds and the powder, the protein powder. So basically flax seeds, they lower blood pressure and they promote bone health. Hemp protein has 20 amino acids that your body is unable to produce on its own. It reduces sugar cravings and it boosts the immune system. Now, chia seeds are a good source of omega-3, high in fiber, antioxidants, iron, and calcium. I recently discovered dates, and oh my goodness, they have changed my life. They are so sweet and yummy, and they just bring the perfect touch to anything. They are not only yummy, they also help in weight loss, and they relieve constipation, and it promotes heart health. Now on this alternative, I also added kale, and kale is known as one of the superfoods on the planet because it's filled with so many nutrients and vitamins. So now your smoothie is ready to enjoy. You can add any other ingredients that you'd like. I personally love it this way. It's so yummy and refreshing because my mangoes were frozen. You can also freeze your bananas if you'd like. But the consistency is perfect. It fills me up, it's delicious, and it's healthy. So don't forget to try it, and if you do, let me know how it went for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.